Right now, the sentiment around immigration is sitting at -0.17, which is notably lower than our historical baseline. This negative shift, despite a momentum of 0, suggests a stagnation in sentiment that could indicate growing frustration or concern within certain communities. With 16 distinct semantic clusters identified, our API returns nuanced insights into specific themes driving this sentiment, helping you pinpoint the conversations that matter. For instance, if you're developing a policy analysis tool, integrating our immigration sentiment data can provide context for legislative changes, allowing you to visualize public opinion trends and tailor your recommendations effectively. Dive deeper into the data and see how you can leverage these insights by visiting pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.